Okay, here you have it. I've already put the Doodlebug pad on here and tied it on with zip ties here, and I'll just show you how it's done. So here we have it. I've got a T-bar I've cut down to 9 inches, so it's a 1/2 inch either side. And also you might notice I've put 2 notches here. That's so the cable tie can fit across and not move like this, and you get the cable tie and you put it through like that. And also, if you want smaller ones, you can cut your T-bar smaller if you like and just cut the pad, and you also tie it on the same way with your cable ties or zip ties, depending which country you're in, like that. And I'll just show you how I put the pad. I've already threaded the zip ties through, and all you do is get your T-bar, thread it through like this, then on the other side line it up with the notches. Make sure that's all good, and now they're lined up, you can just tighten the zip ties like we've done here. Then you get a pair of scissors, cut the zip ties like this, and well, I suppose that's about it.